If you're thinking about using xSellco Helpdesk for your customer support needs, there are some things you'll want to know before making a decision. Today, we'll break down 12 important points about xSellco Helpdesk and how it compares to other help desk software out there. First, let's talk about ease of use. xSellco offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies managing customer support, but compared to tools like Zendesk or Freshdesk, some might find it a little more basic in its layout. However, it's definitely intuitive, especially for small businesses or those new to help desk software. Next, let's consider multi-channel support. xSellco integrates email, live chat, and social media channels like Facebook and Twitter. It's not as expansive as some competitors, which offer more channels out of the box. However, if your focus is on the major platforms, xSellco does a good job of centralizing them into one interface. The third thing you need to know is about ticket management. xSellco allows you to assign tickets, set priorities, and track responses. While it's fairly robust, it's not as customizable as some of the larger platforms like Zoho Desk. But for smaller teams, it gets the job done. Now, let's talk about automation. xSellco has automation features like autoresponders and ticket routing. However, compared to competitors like Freshdesk, the automation is a bit more limited. It's enough for many businesses, but larger organizations may find it restrictive. The fifth thing is collaboration features. xSellco offers a team inbox where agents can collaborate and share customer details. While it's decent, some competitors like Zendesk have more advanced collaboration tools built in, which could be a deciding factor for larger teams. Next thing to know, reporting. xSellco offers basic reporting, but again, it's not as detailed as some alternatives like Zoho Desk, which provides in-depth analytics and more customization. For simple reporting, though, xSellco is fine. The seventh thing to consider is integration options. xSellco integrates with popular tools like Shopify, eBay, and Amazon, making it a good choice for e-commerce businesses. However, compared to other software like Freshdesk, xSellco's integration options aren't as wide-reaching, so if you rely on less common tools, you might face limitations. Next, let's look at the pricing. xSellco offers flexible pricing based on your business size, which is great for smaller companies. But when compared to competitors like Freshdesk or Zendesk, you might find that you're paying for features you don't necessarily need. So, if you're only looking for basic support, it might feel a little overkill. The ninth thing is about mobile support. xSellco offers mobile apps, but they don't offer the same full functionality as competitors like Zendesk, which may have a more robust mobile experience for agents on the go. Now, let's talk about security. xSellco offers solid security features, including two-factor authentication, but it's not as enterprise-grade as Zendesk or Zoho Desk, which might be more suitable for large businesses with strict security requirements. The 11th thing to note is customer support. xSellco has great customer service with 24/7 support. While they are quick to respond, larger competitors like Zendesk might have more extensive support options like dedicated account managers or premium services. Finally, let's look at the scalability. xSellco works great for small to medium-sized businesses, but larger enterprises may find it lacks the scalability of platforms like Zoho Desk, which offers more customization and enterprise-level features. So, is xSellco Helpdesk the right choice for you? It's a solid option if you're running an e-commerce business or a small to medium-sized company looking for a straightforward, easy-to-use platform. However, if you're looking for more customization, advanced reporting, and a wider range of integrations, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.